guys, my name is Sarvesh. So, welcome back to the Tactical Guru channel. Today we'll be checking out TOTS SF. Team of the season so far. So, we're going to be having team of the season so far, I guess, this year. And we'll be checking out the players who have been performing really good before the lockdown due to the coronavirus. So, let's go check out their ratings, their how many points you need to claim them, what's the maximum number of points you can get, all these facts about this event.
So here we have it, guys, the team of the season so far. So before we start this video, I just want to give a shout out to FIFA Mobile Guide, for giving me the the technical stuff of this video, the facts and everything. So just remember to check out their web page. They have all the information about this event and any event which has been released by EA. So just make sure to check it out. So here we are in team of the season so far. We can spend team energy. We get 15 energies in 15 hours. So that's like 1 energy per hour. So yeah, you can get 15 energies for every 15 hours you're going to spend. So here we have it. You can spend team energy to get TOTS SF points. You got to use these TOTS SF points to get to a player. So it's the players list is similar to what we saw in top transfers. FIFA EA has been using so many similar methods in the upcoming events. So here we have it. So we have to use these TOTS points. We also have the TOTS reserves. You need the reserve tokens, which is similar to the window tokens you had in the top transfers. You got to use 100 of these reserve tokens to get the TOTS reserves. Let's just go and check out the TOTS reserves, shall we? So we have the community reserve players and the EPL reserve players. So it's the common point, but you have to be careful on what you choose. Community can have anyone like any player from any league who has been selected for this. You can get a Pepe who's from Porto, who's playing in the Portuguese league, or you can get Simon who's playing in the League 1. You can also get Thuram who's playing in the Bundesliga. You can get Trippier who's playing in the La Liga. You can get Fernandinho or Leno or Felipe Anderson who are playing in the EPL. So yeah, this is a mixed variety of players who have been chosen by the community. We also have the EPL reserves who are they are from the EPL. So we have 96 Aguero, 95 Henderson, 92 Mahrez, 91 Maguire, 90 Son, 89 Van Bissaka, 89 Gomez, 88 Kovac, 87 Adama Traore, and 86 reserves. And in both of these offers, you can also get skill boost, 125 or 500 of them, anywhere in between. And you can also get coins, 250k to 800k, anywhere in between. So other leagues will be released by EA in the later dates. And over here we can see that the next release date is 14th, and next one will be on 14th, and you can get. So here we have it, and let's just check out the community players we are going to have and few highest rated and really insane cards we are going to get this time. The first one, right off the bat, we have Garrincha, who we can claim if we claim the top 2 highest rated starters from this event. I won't spoil the suspense. So you have the Garrincha here, 139 pace, 134 shooting, 133 passing, 134 agility. He doesn't have steams, which is kind of weird, as you can see here. It's a prime icon, 103, obviously, one of the highest rated in the game. Of course, the Hazard is the highest rated. So here we have it. His stats are pretty insane. So let's go check out the players. We have most of the positions covered. We have Grimaldo, we have Muklele, we have Icardi, we have Gomez, we have Dembele, we have Brandt, who's 97 rated. And these card arts, man, they look insane. Check it out, man. That's so cool. This time FIFA has really EA has really outdone themselves on the card arts. Let it be on the FIFA 20 or let it be on FIFA Mobile. It's just insane, man. So the first insane card we're going to see is Thiago. It's one of the more balanced cards. He plays CDM or CAM in Bayern Munich, but this is more this is a central midfielder card who's like totally balanced. So here we have it. 110 to short passing, that's insane. 130 ball control, that's, oh my god, that's a very great card. Then we have, he does the roulette skill move, which is something not all the players have. He has 3 special traits. Over here we can see all the cards you're going to get from claiming are going to be the premium version. It's confirmed, man. Then we have the Sergio Busquets card. Even though it's a CDM card, his dribbling stats and his attacking stats are still on point. He has 4-star midfoot, 104 acceleration, and 131 aggression, 135 marking, 129 standing tackle, 134 interceptions, 124 short passing. That's an insane card for a CDM. Then we have this Casemiro, who's just out of this world. His stats are just as good, and yeah, if you want a CDM, go for Busquets. If you want a CM, go for Casemiro. Both of them ratings are just as good and just as really great. The highest rated is though going to be Courtois, 102 rated for the community thoughts. That I guess is the best goalkeeper card in the game. I'm not sure. I'm not really into these goalkeeper stats, so sorry about that, guys. But then we have the choice point, similar to the ones we had in the Bundesliga rivalries. So that is going to be, and also in the Easter event. So we can choose any of these 3. That is 2.5 million, or 1,500 skill boost, or 5,000 training XP. So we can choose between those. Those are the players. So let's check out EPL. Before that, let's check out this community special and the EPL special. They're kind of similar. So what this is that we have to play teams from around the world. In the case of EPL, it's going to be EPL teams. So we have to play teams from around the world to get these rewards. And in the end, as you go through, you're going to have a few conditions as well. As you can see from here, I think. Yeah, over here you're gonna have to, yeah, that's last, but in between here and there you're gonna have a few conditions in which you're gonna have to satisfy to win this match. It's gonna be against 79 Ajax. You're gonna have guaranteed rewards as the community logo, which is really great. It's a new logo, yeah, but even though the logo isn't the most important thing, you're gonna have like 300 TOTSS of points from playing against like teams that are 73 rated. The rating is low, I know that, but I can guarantee you that these matches are going to be really tough. Like, let's say medium to hard difficulty and not extreme or that expert difficulty. So in EPL we're going to be checking out a few really high rated cards, but I have to say I'm not really into EPL, and let's just check out this Rangix card before we go on, shall we? 139 pace, 129 shooting, 134 passing. That is a beautiful card. You can play him in central midfielder if you want, and he's going to be insane in the. So yeah, that's a beautiful card. We have Henderson, we have 2 players from Leicester, we have Robertson, we have Aubameyang, we have Alexander-Arnold. I have to say the community thoughts isn't, the community thoughts I have to say is more mind-blogging and more, let's say, out of this world than EPL, because the EPL cards, they're not really into central midfielders except this De Bruyne, which is not yet balanced. Come on. If you remember the Casemiro card, it had all the stats on point. Comparing this to the De Bruyne card, his physical and his defending are low compared to a 101 Casemiro, 102 De Bruyne's stats are less better. So you can also get Mane over here, 101 left winger, 130 pace is just insane. He's going to be selling for a lot of coins. So if you get to the technical side of these these events, you can see that over here we have just as the Champions League event we had a few days before. You can play either of these three: a skill game, versus attack match, or a head-to-head match. And yeah, winning the head-to-head or versus attack match gives you a few extra points. But I like to play the skill games because they're going to give you guaranteed points, and I'm not really a great versus attack player, so yeah, that's great. So then you earn 500 TOTSS of points, you're going to get an extra 100, and if you earn 1500 TOTSS of points, you're going to get 500 extra. Okay, oh my god. Okay, over here we can play matches to win these rewards. You can get a possible reward of a TOTW 70 plus TOTW, or a global league player 80 plus. Then you have a hard match against a really high rated team. A few maybe yesterday I remember it being Liverpool. This time we have Permanto Calcio. So it's going to be 75 skill boost and an extra gold player, but still the possible rewards almost remain the same. Instead of 70 rated TOTW we get a 75, and still it's a possible reward. So yeah, you can decide if you want to play it or not. I'm not going to. So here we are, a daily watch ad. If you can watch 3 of these ads a day and get 9 energies extra, and you can also pay 1025 coins, 125,000 coins, I'm sorry, to earn 9 energies. So you can also do that, and with all the coin packs you can get 16,060 TOTS SF points in total when all the 41 days are over. And if you have been playing so regularly that you can claim this thing a few times, and this one a few times, so yeah, you can do that. By this one I meant the extra 100 and everything. So if you claim all this stuff with coin packs, you can get 16,060 points. And without these coin packs, you can get 10,756, which is still pretty decent. But for what I know, there are not many avid players who just play like the whole time. So I can say on an average you can get about 7,000 to 8,000 points. So yeah, that's the amount. You also have Ultimate TOTSSF, which is going to be coming. We have Hazard helping us here, though I don't really need help here. And that's a long name, Ultimate TOTSSF. That's a really long name. So over here we have, let's just skip all this, shall we? So here we have it. We can also claim 5 Ultimate TOTSSF starters to get a Prime account, which is really great. So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content.